Good lighting can completely change how you look on camera. Even if you have a great phone or camera, poor lighting can make your video look dark, grainy, and unprofessional. That's why ring lights have become one of the most important tools for content creators, students, remote workers, and anyone who appears on camera. A quality ring light reduces shadows, brightens your face evenly, improves skin tones, and makes your videos look clean and professional. Whether you're recording YouTube videos, doing TikTok, attending Zoom meetings, or live streaming, the right lighting makes a huge difference. Today, we're looking at 5 of the best ring lights that offer strong brightness, useful features, and great value. Let's get started. Number 1. UBeesize 12-inch Selfie ring light. This ring light is a powerful all-in-one kit for creators. It features a 12-inch ring with 240 LEDs that produce strong, even lighting. It's brighter than many standard 10-inch models, which helps your videos look clear and professional. You get 10 brightness levels and 5 color temperatures from warm to cool, so you can match your lighting to any room or time of day. The 62-inch tripod is adjustable and can even convert into a selfie stick. That makes it useful for interviews, travel shoots, or overhead recording. The head rotates 360 degrees, allowing portrait, landscape, and top-down angles easily. It works with smartphones, cameras, webcams, and tablets. The package includes the ring light, tripod, phone holder, Bluetooth remote, and USB cable. If you want a complete lighting setup in one purchase, this is a fantastic choice. Number 2. ACMEZING Video Conference Ring Light. This one is perfect for meetings and daily video calls. It offers 5 color temperatures from warm to cool and 5 brightness levels, helping you adjust lighting for any environment. The ring design creates soft light that smooths shadows and helps you look better on camera. It comes with a strong clamp and a flexible mini tripod. You can attach it to a laptop, monitor, desk, or table easily. It's USB powered, so you can plug it into your laptop, power bank, or wall charger. The light is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry when traveling. If you attend lots of online classes or meetings, this is a simple and effective solution. Number 3. Herrfilk 10-inch Selfie Ring Light. This ring light is made for creative people who love colorful effects. It includes 3 normal lighting modes: warm, natural, and cool, plus 48 RGB color modes. You can switch between many colors and lighting effects to match your mood or video style. The music sync mode is the standout feature. The light reacts to the beat of your music, creating fun visual effects. Brightness adjusts from 0 to 100%, giving full control. You get 2 tripods, a mini desk tripod, and a tall stand for floor setups. A Bluetooth remote lets you take pictures or record videos from a distance. With rotating phone holders and flexible angles, it's excellent for TikTok, Reels, and creative content. If you want your videos to stand out, this is a great pick. Number 4. NEEWER 55 watts, 18 inches / 45 centimeters ring light. This is a professional-grade ring light. The large 18-inch ring with 240 LEDs delivers strong yet soft lighting that covers a wide area. Brightness adjusts from 0 to 100%, so you can get the perfect look. It has a high CRI of 95, which means colors appear natural and accurate on camera. The kit includes orange and white filters to switch between warm and cool tones. The aluminum stand is sturdy and extends up to 61 inches. A Bluetooth remote allows wireless photo and video control. You also get a cold shoe mount for cameras and a phone holder. This ring light is ideal for vloggers, makeup artists, photographers, and serious creators who want studio-level lighting. Number 5. Yarrashop Desk Ring Light with Stand. This one is designed for desk use. The 10.5-inch curved lamp head provides bright but soft lighting that's gentle on the eyes, even during long sessions. It offers 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels for flexible lighting control. The height adjusts from 23 to 31 inches, fitting nicely behind laptops or monitors. The head tilts 180 degrees, making it easy to find the right angle. A strong metal base keeps it stable on desks without clamps. With a CRI above 95, it produces natural, vibrant colors in photos and videos. This is a great option for students, office workers, and anyone working at a desk setup. So, those were 5 excellent ring lights for different needs and budgets. If you want a complete kit for content creation, the 12-inch model is a smart choice. For online meetings, a compact light works perfectly. If you love colorful videos, RGB lights add excitement. And if you want professional results, a large studio ring light is the way to go. Good lighting can instantly upgrade your video quality and boost your confidence on camera. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and keep creating amazing content.